Hey everyone, today I'm unlocking the secrets of trading in shares for you in this full guide. First, let's dive into the basics of trading in shares. Trading in shares involves buying and selling stocks of publicly listed companies to make a profit. Stocks represent ownership in a company and their value fluctuates based on market conditions. There are different types of trading. Buying and selling within the same day, holding stocks for days or weeks, holding stocks for months or years. Long-term buying and holding based on fundamental analysis. Now let's talk about the types of financial markets, where shares of companies are traded. Trading of currency pairs like USD, EUR. Trading goods like gold, oil and silver. Includes futures and options trading. Trading digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So how do you start trading in shares? Step 1. Learn the basics. Understand stocks, market indices, order types and risk management. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reliable broker with access to stock exchanges and trading tools. Step 3. Fund your account. Deposit money into your trading account to start buying stocks. Step 4. Choose stocks to trade. Use fundamental and technical analysis. Step 5. Place orders. Use market limit and stop-loss orders. Understanding stock market analysis is crucial. For fundamental analysis, look at EPS, PE ratio, revenue and debt-to-equity ratio. For technical analysis, study candlestick patterns, moving averages, RSI, and support and resistance levels. Risk management in trading is key. Invest in different sectors to reduce risk. Limit losses on a trade. Don't put too much money in one stock. Avoid panic selling or greedy investing. Explore different trading strategies. Buy and sell within the same day. Make multiple small trades in a short periods. Hold stocks for days or weeks based on trends. Buy undervalued stocks for long-term growth. Avoid common mistakes like investing without research, over-trading, ignoring market trends, and trading based on emotions. And finally, utilize tools and resources for trading. Platforms like MetaTrader, Thinkorswim, and TradingView. News sources like Bloomberg and CNBC, and stock screeners like FinViz and MarketWatch. Got questions or need more details? Let me know in the comments.